everybody, it is a beautiful day to share some pretty planner things. So in this video, I will be unboxing the January VB kit with love. So let's get started. So let's start it off with this beautiful B6 folder. Now we haven't had a B6 folder yet, but we have seen a couple of slim folders before that fit week-sized planners. So if you have a B6 or larger folder or planner, this folder will fit in there perfectly. And I mean, even with the VB clutch that came out, it'll look really great in there too. So you've got on the back, you've got the foil with rose gold hearts. And then on each side you have two pockets, one larger one and one smaller one. That's on the right and the left. And then the center one has one pocket with 3 slots here that you can stick some cards into, slap some clips on. And yeah, just a really great way to store your list, your notepads, sticky notes, cards, page flags, small sticker sheets, things like that. I think it would even fit like a B6 sized sticker kit right here, maybe some of the smaller formatted ones. So that is a really great way to just keep a few of your favorite planner supplies with you tucked into your planner, or separately if you have a planner that's a little bit smaller than this. So in the last kit we had transparent box flags, and this one we get transparent circle flags. This is so fun. It kind of reminds me of like a blush palette from makeup, and such a pretty color palette. This is my favorite. This will always be my favorite shade, is this dusty rose kind of blush color. And let's see. And the card itself is so pretty too, and I love that you'll be able to reuse it if you ever get to the point of, you know, finishing off your page flags. So there is a little bit of a transparency test with the VillabeauTIFFul logo on the top of the card. So you've got a small, medium, and a large size circle page flag on this set. And next up we have this gorgeous 3-pack heart paper clips with the rose gold hardware. I mean, look at that marbled effect. I'm sorry, it gets like super zoomed, but isn't that so pretty? I love how on the first one it's got the transparency to it, but the middle one's probably my favorite. I love those neutrals with the black. So she did share in her official reveal video that some of the clips, let me show you the backing of them. Here we go. So you see how it just kind of pokes right in, that some of them may come loose, and if so, her video has some tips on that. It looks like all of mine are pretty sturdy, but if you have any issues with loose clips, make sure you check out the official reveal video over on the VillabeauTIFFul YouTube channel for this kit, and she has some great tips to get those squared away for you. I love whenever enamel pins are included, and this one is so cute. These heart sunglasses, like I need to go get me a pair of these ASAP. I can't wait to add this to my corkboard in my room. It just looks so pretty because I've got a whole like pink, black, and gray thing, my favorite color palette ever. So this will fit in perfectly with that. And next up we have this beautiful bow keychain, and this is like a nice thick sturdy material too. On the back you've got the VB logo, lobster clasp, and a keyring. You could put this on your VB tote, your VB clutch, your handbag. I mean, this is one of those things where I want to grab 15 extras and just put them everywhere. It's so pretty. Next up, I've got this pack of transparent stickers and cards, so let's take a close-up look at all of these. All right, so first we'll flip through these sticker sheets. I love this one, the transparent word stickers. These are perfect for smaller planners or monthly views, or I also like using them with my deco just in smaller spaces in my layout. And then we've got the corner stickers, transparent icons, 2 sheets of transparent shape stickers, and then 1 sheet of the transparent bar stickers, and these are cut right here so you get 2 of each shade. And instead of another sheet of patterned bar stickers, this time we got a sheet of transparent open shape stickers, which I thought was really cute, especially for like making checklists and things like that. Next up we have the 4-pack of transparent cards. This is the first one. It says Beauty, and it's got the rose gold foiled border. And then we've got this super pretty line art. And then this one, Love Notes with a VB pin. I love this one. This one's probably my favorite from the bunch. And then this last one is a horizontal one that says Love. Next up, we'll take a look at the kit washi, the skinny and standard size rolls. So let's go ahead and open them up and roll them out. All right, so here is the standard size rolled out, and how flippin' pretty is that print? I love the bows on there, the rose gold against the black. Love that. And here is the skinny size roll, which has an abstract pattern, and that is foiled in rose gold as well. And it's got almost kind of like a brushstroke pattern on the background with the gold, or with the rose gold foiled abstract lines on top. Next, let's take a look at this kit's stickers. We'll start with the mini sheet that has got the kit pin up at the top and the mini deco down at the bottom. And in her official reveal video, Tiffany did say that there was a slight misprint as far as the colors. Like all of this, the black is supposed to be a burgundy shade, which would have been gorgeous. However, I think that the black looks really good with it too. I'm kind of digging that color tone. It's like this more muted and faded, but I really like it. So these are the full boxes for this sticker book. And our next page has all of the foiled circle icons, labels, pay bill stickers. And we've got more full boxes, clipboards, and some quarter boxes down at the bottom. And our next page has the full sheet of half boxes with a cute deco and foiled borders. We've got this sheet of headers and labels, scallops and scallop boxes, some double length header banner things down here, and then a full sheet of deco. I love this, not only for Valentine's Day, but like anniversaries or special times when you're having like maybe a date that week, or you're just feeling the self-love. I mean, this is just so pretty. I love the colors in the kit, and the theme is so cute too. So there's our flags and checklists and banners, and then 2 sets of date covers, arrows, some tabs, and quote boxes. And the last sheet has the double boxes and the shapes over here on the side. I love this foil wiggle. The lighting stinks right now. It's getting dark out, but it's catching the foil really well, so that's definitely a plus. Okay, so those are all the sheets in the sticker book. Of course, you've always got the kit date and title here at the top. And the back, you've got an overview showing all of the different sheets within the book. January's kit also had this extra sweet surprise in it. How gorgeous is this pouch? I love the shade of pink that it is. It's so hard to tell on the slide, I'm so sorry. So on the back, it's plain. On the front, you've got the VillabeauTIFFul logo there at the center top. Kind of a black gunmetal hardware color. A nice little strap here to attach it to your VB tote. And there's the clip for that. And then let's open her up. So it is lined. You want to be careful, especially around here, around the zipper edges, to make sure it doesn't get caught in there. But this would be really nice, like to stick your sticker kits in, your sticker sheets, all of those things, to keep them safe and tucked into your VB tote if you use that for planning, carrying your planner supplies around, things like that. I mean, you could fit all kinds of stuff in here. I think it would even fit, let me see. So yeah, you could fit your sticker book, your B6 folder, so you could stuff this thing up really nicely and have it packed to carry all of your planner pretties around. Let's talk about this kit pin. I mean, I don't even have words. I didn't know I was a burgundy fan until I saw this beautiful shade of burgundy on this barrel. So you've got the white logo, rose gold hardware, and then let's get into those crystals. So you've got like pink and clear iridescent, and there's also some heart sequins mixed in there. I hope it's focusing so you can see. It's really gorgeous. Oh, such a beautiful shade. It's like a deep wine kind of color. Oh, love it, love it, love it. So this is the With Love Kit BB pin. And as always, let's finish it off with a flip through of the paper packs. So during pre-orders, you get a choice of a basic kit or a basic kit plus a paper pack. And the paper pack includes 4 sheets of double-sided 8.5 by 11-inch decorative papers. And I mean, it's just really nice cardstock. In addition to those 4 sheets of cardstock, you also get 2 sheets of specialty paper. This one has vellum, so here is the first vellum and the second, and they do come folded, and we have lots of great ideas for ways to use these on the VB blog. Here's a look at all of the digitals for this month. You get all of these clip arts and papers to use over and over again. They're only included with pre-orders though, so don't miss out on next month's. Pre-orders go live every month on the 20th. You can find all of the VB links in the description below for more information. The Planner Inspiration blog in the VB shop has over 100 tutorials, product close-ups, projects, setups, and more from the VB design team, all showing different ways and ideas for how to use the VB kits. You can even use a search bar in the shop to filter the blogs for specific projects, keywords, and even planner sizes. Did you know that VillabeauTIFFul also has VB freebies for each VB kit? You can find free phone wallpapers to download that coordinate with this month's VB kit right now on the shop blog. And don't forget to follow the VB team over on Spotify, where you can find playlists to set the mood for all of the monthly VB kits. If you've already followed and given a playlist a listen, I'd really love to know what you thought about it. And that does it for this month's VB kit. I hope that you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and drop any of your questions and comments down below. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you next time.